Here's an opportunity for you to own one of the best standard-bred horse racing training centers around. 120 total acres, with 40 acres cleared for farming, 40 acres wooded, and 40 acres finished. Several outbuildings include multiple barns, blacksmith shop, vet lab, kitchens, baths, a total of 99 stalls with gates, 8-horse equicizer, 4 ponds, 1/2-mile stone dust track with 5/8 turns, tack rooms, groom's quarters, and 16 paddocks. Also on the property are 2 1,900-square-foot income-producing modular homes. The main house is a 9,800-square-foot masterpiece with 6 bedrooms and 5.5 baths. There's a 6-car garage, gourmet kitchen, granite, marble, and hardwood floorings are throughout this home. There's even a theater room with all the amenities. Off the first-floor master suite is a backyard veranda leading to a beautiful in-ground pool, hot tub, and outdoor entertaining to its finest. For more information on this spectacular property or to schedule a private showing, contact Sharon Faries at 302-242-3393.